Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language courses. This morning in the newspaper I was reading that despite the extreme economic turmoil of the last 12 months, somehow 24 more people managed to become billionaires here in the UK last year, bringing the grand total to 171. During a year in which tens of thousands of people lost their jobs, thousands of businesses closed down, people have started being evicted from their houses because they can't afford to pay their rent, the use of food banks has soared dramatically. Somehow or other, 24 people have been raking it in. If you say that someone's been raking it in, you mean they've been earning a lot of money. A rake is a garden implement, like this one. You were probably wondering what I was doing with this, weren't you? And in the same way as you rake leaves to bag them up and get rid of them, it's this idea of bringing the money towards you in large quantities. If a friend of yours has a new job in a bank, for example, you might comment, "Wow, she's working there. Blimey, she must be raking it in." During the pandemic, people like Jeff Bezos from Amazon has been absolutely raking it in, whilst denying his workers the right to unionise or to basic sick pay and things like that, which is how you become a billionaire. And you can also use it for particular figures. So you might say, yeah, I was reading in the paper that he rakes in £750,000 a year, that guy. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of people where you live who've been absolutely raking it in.